Hi everyone, welcome to Wits Connect. So today's topic is full subtractor. The full subtractor is used to find out the difference and borrow for the three input values. Those all are like we will take inputs as A, B and C, and instead of C we can take it as a borrow input if the borrow will be generated, and this will be treated as borrow input. So here the basic block diagram of the full subtractor is like this, and this is a full subtractor, and here I am giving the three inputs like A, B and borrow input, and this full subtractor gives the outputs, two outputs, those are difference and borrow, So coming to the full subtractor logic circuit, and here the logic circuit diagram of the full subtractor is here I am using one exclusive OR gate, and both inputs like A and B, and this will be gives the output of A exclusive or B. So here this is a complement, and here I am connecting one NOT gate. Right? And this is a B input. And this B input and A complement outputs both are connected to one AND gate, that is AND gate 1, and this will be gives the output of A bar into B, and here I am again connecting one exclusive OR gate, another one exclusive OR gate, and this output is connected to this one, and this here we are taking the C input. Here I am taking the C input or borrow input. So this is the borrow input, and this is connected to here, and this will be gives the output of A exclusive or B exclusive or borrow input. And this is the output of D, that is D difference is equal to. So, and here I am using another AND gate. Here I am using another AND gate, and this AND gate, for this AND gate, okay, see here the borrow input is connected to this AND gate, and this output of is connected to one complement NOT gate, that is connected to here, okay, and these two outputs are connected to one OR gate, that is OR gate, and this will be gives the gives the output of the borrow. So here this AND gate gives the output of A exclusive or B into borrow input, and so here A bar B, both are the inputs for this OR gate, and this gives the output borrow is equal to A bar B plus A exclusive or B into borrow input. So these two all are the outputs we are getting from the full subtractor. And coming to the truth table of full subtractor, here we have inputs. What are the inputs we are giving? A, B and borrow input, and we are getting the outputs like difference and borrow. the combinations here. A, B and borrow inputs are the inputs, and 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 double 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 and double 1 1. Okay, so here these are the inputs, and here we are getting the output of the difference and borrow. So 0 0, here there is no difference, and 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So difference is equal to 0, borrow will not be generated here, and 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 and borrow is equal to 1, and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 0, and borrow here we have 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and here we have a borrow 1. Okay, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 here, and borrow is equal to 0. Next, 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 here, and borrow is equal to 0. Next, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and borrow is equal to 0. Next, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 and borrow is equal to 1. So coming to this is the truth table of the full subtractor. Truth table of the full subtractor. So this is the working of the full subtractor and combination logic circuit and